Welcome to Woulda Wednesday, episode 11, where we bring you things that are on the KAM Fam's permanent packing list that might make others say, why would you bring that?
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
So guys, today's item is something that could save you money and save you some grossness. Stay tuned.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of Woulda Wednesday. For those of you new around the channel, my name is Mitch with the KAM Fam. Thanks for joining us. Every Wednesday, we do an episode of something we bring on a cruise that others might say, why would you bring that? Now, guys, I'm not going to lie. Today's item, we don't bring it every single time. I know. But if we're going to a beach, this is a must item for us. Have you ever went snorkeling in the water? We love to go snorkeling, whether it's on an excursion or just on our own at a public beach. Seeing all the fish and everything like that under the water is amazing when you are cruising in the Caribbean. Now, don't get me wrong, you can get a snorkel from the people there. You can rent one. But have you ever seen when they finish, they take the little thing they stick in your mouth, and usually they dump it in a little bucket and swirl it around. And guess what? The next person comes in line and they say, here you go, $10. That's not for us, guys. So we bring our own snorkel mask. So yes, you heard me right. I said snorkel mask. We do not do the one that goes in your mouth because I want to enjoy. So this thing, plop it on your face, and then you have full viewing. Breathe out the top, strap it on, you're good to go. I'm telling you guys, we've used these snorkel masks. We got them for the kids. We got them for us. We love them. We use them all the time. Whenever we plan on going snorkeling in a port, because it makes things so much easier. And once you get it on, all you're doing is breathing normal. You're not trying to hold something in your mouth. It goes on your face. You can see everything. I'm showing you some clips here. It is truly amazing, the views you will see. So now you've heard snorkel masks are usually on our packing list. Not always, because if we're not going to a beach port, we don't bring them with, because it does take up some space. But we want to hear from you in the comments. Is a snorkel or a snorkel mask something you ever bring with? Or do you just rent them from the places? Or are you going to maybe start considering it because you don't want to slop germs with somebody else with that thing in your mouth? So let us know, guys. And if you haven't already, please hit the like button. We would greatly appreciate it. And those of you who are new around here, think about hitting the subscribe button. We also have a weekly cruise show. We do Sunday nights. We also put out cruise videos and fun food family. Fun food family? No, fun family food videos, guys. That's what I meant to say. So tune in next Wednesday, 12:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, so you can find out what item is the KAM Fam bringing that maybe you need to start to. That's going to do it for this episode of Woulda Wednesday. See you next week.
Why would you Wednesday?